Good morning. This is Witty Charman's Witty Viz services, which is basically about digital histopathology. And I am Dr. Pramod G. Bagali, the Chief Medical Officer and the Chief Executive Officer, just giving you a preview about our newer services, which we call it as Witty Viz, Viz standing for the visualization. This is our Witty Viz lab, wherein we will be able to do a whole slide imaging. Start with data acquisition, which is a microscope, an Olympix CX43, and we have a high-end PC or a laptop that's going to have our visualization software and a slide. Any of your histopathology slides, histology slides, blood smears are going to be placed onto the platform here, and after focusing visually, we use a industrial grade camera and a CMOS adapter to do a whole slide imaging and acquire the images into a high definition monitor here, and it will be possible for this image to be saved into various formats, and this particular digitized slide will be possible to be shared across for second opinion to other pathologists across the hospitals or anywhere in the globe using a secure link that will be built into the software.